Ah, yeah. Yeah, yeah. Oh, yeah, yeah. I say, waiting I feel do just to make you my only lover. Carry face, you carry sense, you carry back. Lot of girls that DM, but I tell them, say, now you. What's up, people? I go by the name STEGUE Stege, and I'm an Afrobeat, Afropop, and a reggae dancehall artist from Ghana. I've been doing music professionally for it's been like 3 years to 4 years now. Yeah. I've always been that kid at the back seat, hitting the table, singing in class, entertaining people. So I've always loved to entertain people, and it started from like JHS. What inspires me to do music is it depends. It could be anything relatable. It could be love. It could be anything around me. Just inspires me to make music. So, yeah. Collaborations, I've already done 2 already, and I have a problem with Ghana because they don't like to collaborate. They like to compete. So at the moment, I would rather push myself, and anybody else who would like to collaborate with me will jump on board. 5 years from now, I should be everywhere. My songs should be motivating people, inspiring people, touching hearts, and jumping on all the big stages worldwide.
Girls all around you.
That's just my career, baby.
Here and there.
I don't even go out for parties, baby. Be Mine actually is, it talks about like, we creatives, we find it hard. Our work is a bit like tiring, so we don't have time for like to be in a relationship, to do all of those things. So Be Mine is basically that type of song that's telling that girl who's in love with a creative to take their time. We do everything for you girls, like we go hard for you girls. We'll work for you guys. So yeah, that's what Be Mine is about. But it's a love song. You got his angels, so be mine. How about you be mine? Yeah. Ah, yeah, 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 ah, yeah, ah, yeah, oh, no, 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 yeah. See, it's I feel just to make you my only lover. You carry face, you carry sense, you carry back. Lot the girls the DM, but I tell them, say, now you. Oh, yeah. Anywhere you want to go, I want to be your cara. The Louis V, your Gucci, your maybe Prada. Baby, I go buy, I'm double for you. Ah, yeah. All my guys say you do me juju, but now your love will make me the moo yeah. Girl, I go my heart for you. Yeah. I'm a drag as your family juju, but now your love will make me the moo yeah. Girl, I go my heart for you. So would you be mine? How would you be mine? You carry your sense, also be mine. How would you be mine? Would you be mine? Baby, would you be mine? You carry your sense, also be mine. How would you be mine? Ah, da, 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 da. Oh, do, 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 do. Yeah, de, 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 de. African letter. Say ah, da, 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 da. Oh, do, 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 do. Yeah, 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 yeah. Jimmy, the mother of my children. See, 1, 2, 3, girl, I cool my shoe. 4, 5, 6, all these feelings for you. 7, 8, 9, girl, my love is so true. Then I can't wait just to make you my boo. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, girl, I cool my shoe. 4, 5, 6, all these feelings is for you. 7, 8, 9, girl, my love is so true. And then I can't wait just to make you my boo. Yeah. Oh, what would you be mine? You carry sense, so be mine. What would you be mine? Would you be mine? What would you be mine? You carry sense, so be mine. Would you be mine? Ah, da, 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 da. Oh, do, 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 do. Yeah. Jimmy, my African legend. I can hear you say, ah, da, 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 da. Big up African ladies. Every African woman is pretty. Just know you a superwoman. I go by the name Stiggy. Bless up.